Hey guys, this is the ambient sensor light or under cabinet light. The brand sent me a free one so I can check it out. I want to show you how cool this thing is. Now to mount it, it's super easy. You can either use the stickers here, which have magnets in the back, or you can just stick it on a metal surface. I'm going to stick it here on my fridge. Now to use it's really easy. You're just going to turn it on the bottom here, and there you go. You can see the lights turn on. Now as soon as you walk in the room, it's going to turn on its own. You can set the different types of lighting. You can see here it's got several different light modes. It's even got these dynamic modes. So just a lot of cool light modes. It's got this sensor over here, picks up when you walk in the room, and after 15 seconds of you leaving the room, turns off. You're going to charge it using the provided USB cable here, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a hallway light or a light to stick underneath their cabinets or in their bathroom.